Welcome back. Students of Government Higher Secondary School in Pedne boycotted classes on Friday. Students are demanding reinstatement of the sacked lecturers. However, the principal has preferred to be mum on the issue. Around 75 students boycotted classes at Pedne. They claim that the school management has sacked the lecturers in the midst of final term. They say that they were well versed with the lecturers, but now their studies will be hampered. The management has sacked about 6 lecturers from the school and is planning their reinstatement. Here is what the students have to say.
आमकां कालच का जेव्हा सर आमचो येयलो आमकां म्हणलें आमकां काडले आतां न्यू सर येतलो आनी आतां अशें आहा की आमची प्रॅक्टिकल एग्जामी आहात जर्नल कंप्लीट आहा परत रिविजन आहा आमचें परतून सगळ्यांची वाट लागतली भुरग्यांची ते म्हणटात नवीन टिचर इले जाल्यार तांकां समजावंक परत आमी तांकां समजतले ते आमकां समजावन घेतले पयलीं जुनानसून हाडलेले जाल्यार आमी काय म्हणना जाल्यार हेड टिचर आमकां 3 म्हयने दवरा तुमी जो मेरेन आमी हय आहात तो मेरेन मग तुमी जाय ते करा तेंच्या मागीर आमकां काय ना
आणि जर तशेंच जर दवरलें आनी तुमकां जर टिचरच जर नवीन जर दिवंक ना जाल्यार तुमी कितें करतले
आमी अशेंच रावतले स्ट्रायकान आमकां ते टिचर ना आमी क्लासीन कोण वचपाक तयार ना कित्याक हो आमी सगळ्यांक कोणाक सांगान अशें फुड्यान हाडूंक ना सगळे आपआपल्या हितून भायर रावलेले आहात की सगळ्यांक तेच चडचे
However, the principal is mum on the issue.
हांव आनी हाजेर कांयच उलयना हांव आनी कांयच उलोवपा ना कित्याक हांव मदीं पडना आतां तुमी आनी टिचर पळोवन घेयात सॉरी ना ना हांव कांयच सांगना हांवें सगळें सांगपाक ते भुरग्या वचून सांगून आयला सॉरी उगीच टिचर रोखडे पत्रकारां सांगतात आनी हांव आमचें कांयच चूक नासतना आमी कितें उलोवं हांव कांयच सांगपाना हांव कांयच उलोवपाना हांव मन दवरपाचें तुमी पळयात तुमचे लेवलाचेर जाय तें करात तुमी हांव कांय सांगना.
The students have threatened to boycott the classes till their demands are met. A reporter in Pedne, Vinod Meter. President of the Goa Motorsport Association, Ashley Gomes, has tweaked the track to make it a technically reverting one for this Sunday's showdown. On Friday, many riders were seen at the only motocross track of this country in Kalangut in a free practice session. Goa's Alan Sequeira was there too, putting down some vital practice laps before Saturday's qualifying session.
Ashley Gomes was getting last-minute preparation sorted out at his track for Sunday's finale.
We've been working hard, and what happened was the second round was on 21st November. It has never rained during that time here before in Goa, but this year we had rains. I had promised the boys and the riders and the federation that every race I would change the track. Every event I would get the track to a higher standard, so by the time the championship is over of 3 rounds, all the riders will be on a better standard of riding. So, second round we could not do the changes, but this time if you see the track, you all must have taken a bite of the track. The jumps are completely changed. They have done for more of a higher standard. You are more up in the air, the height is increased, the lengths are increased. So it's more kind of a thrilling track that we have done. So it took us a lot of time, and even till today morning we are now with the testing of the bikes. The riders are testing it. Some riders are saying they can't take the jump, but after a few takes here, laps here and there, now they're taking it. But first they were like, wow, what is this?
A pat on the back for the organizers comes in the form of accolades that the chief track steward SPS Garcha had for it.
This has gone over the years developed, and Ashley is very involved with the world body also, and with the federation, which is the national ASN. Track is coming up very well. He's made a lot of safety things in it, and the jumps are very well tapered. You got a nice lift on the jumps so that you get a lot of air when the bike goes up. And the landing has been made much more smoother now than previous years. And so basically a track where both the rider as well as the spectator will enjoy.
A sports reporter from Kalangut, Nikhil Pereira, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
The WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange walked free after 9 days in jail last night when a High Court judge released him on bail. However, the judge warned him that he is almost certain to be extradited to Sweden to face sex assault allegations. Here are some of the visuals after his release. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media.
Well, it's great to smell fresh air of London again. First, some thank yous to all the people around the world who have had faith in me, who have supported my team while I've been away, to my lawyers who have put up a brave and ultimately successful fight, to our sureties and people who provided money in the face of great difficulty and aversion, and to members of the press who were not all taken in and considered to look deeper in their work. My work and continue to protest my innocence in this matter and to reveal, as we get it, which we have not yet, the evidence from these allegations. Thank you.
How do you feel, Julian?